In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails in different languages using Gmail. This can be an incredibly useful skill, whether you're communicating with friends, family, or business associates around the world. Let's explore how you can easily manage this within your Gmail account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google Search. In the search bar, type "How to send emails in different languages in Gmail." When the results appear, click on the appropriate link, which usually leads you to a guide with step-by-step instructions or tips directly from Gmail support. Carefully look through the information provided. It often includes various language settings and tools available to you within Gmail. Next, let's jump straight into the Gmail interface. Open Gmail and head over to the main page where you can see your inbox. In the upper right corner, you'll notice a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this icon to access the drop-down menu, where you'll find an option labeled See All Settings. Select this to open the comprehensive settings panel. Once you're in the settings section, look for the tab labeled General. This is usually the first tab you'll see. Within the General tab, scroll down to locate an option called Language. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu that lets you select the language you want your Gmail interface to display. This feature is particularly helpful if you're more comfortable navigating Gmail in a language other than your default one. However, keep in mind that this changes the entire interface, not just the email creation options. Now, moving on to composing an email, click Compose to open a new email draft. At this stage, you have the freedom to begin typing in your desired language. If you're not confident in typing a specific language, Gmail offers a virtual keyboard or handwriting tool, which you can enable by clicking on the Input Tools option in the General settings. You can add the languages you frequently use and switch between them as required while composing emails. Another tip is to use Google Translate directly within your browser to translate your messages before copying them into the new email. While this isn't a feature built into Gmail, it is an efficient workaround if you're dealing with languages you're not fluent in. After crafting your message in the desired language, ensure you've entered the recipient's email address correctly. Add a subject line, and once you're satisfied with your email, hit the Send button. It's as simple as that. With these steps, sending emails in different languages in Gmail becomes a seamless process that can greatly enhance your communication across different cultures and regions. If you encounter any issues, revisit the search results or consult Gmail's help section for more detailed guidance. This is an invaluable tool that connects us all a little closer, one email at a time.